Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with this guy. That's me. In today's video we're looking at honeycomb, part of our 12 days of Christmas playlist. And we're on day 7 now, which is, geez, it's really kind of flying through. But the thing is, I'm looking at my ingredients that I have, right? And yeah, it says bicarb soda. All I seem to have is baking powder. Can I use that? I don't know. Okay, so yeah, baking powder is not the same thing as bicarb soda. I just had a quick Google of it. So we're gonna go to shops. Very simple premise, guys. All we have is our sugar, our golden syrup, some bicarb soda, and then hopefully we'll have honeycomb by the end of it. Here's hoping anyway. We'll pour in our bicarb. We are going to whisk. Oh, look at this one! See the rise in that? Fantastic! Look at that! Right guys, so you can see there, it's completely cooled down, right? And best thing to do then is just kind of crack it open. So, there's no easy way to do this. So, okay, look at that. Yeah, it smells like honeycomb. Give it a taste. Yeah, that's crap. That's not good at all. It looks good, but it tastes horrendous. Guys, thanks a million for watching to the end of the video. This one hasn't turned out well. Yeah, it just tastes nice. That's not what you want. But say you live and learn. Never be doing this again.